If you plug in a USB flash drive into your computer, then Windows 10 automatically opens File Explorer. If you remove the flash drive from the computer, then it disappears. If you want to disable this function, then come here to the Start button, type in AutoPlay, open up AutoPlay settings. You can disable it for all devices or just for one device if you want. For example, this is a phone which is plugged in. Take no action, for example. So I will disable it for all devices. Okay, and now if I plug the flash drive once again, it's plugged in and nothing shows on the screen. Remove it, of course nothing disappears. Plugging in the flash drive now requires opening a File Explorer window, and of course there's the flash drive and there's the contents. So you can use it, but it's not automatically opening File Explorer.